Hi, welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in Cisco collaboration and AWS training. In this video, we're going to talk about the tenant portal provisioning. So we're going to try to understand how Cisco WebEx contact center tenant structure is set up and its role. We're going to understand how you can configure multimedia profile, how to organize your contact center in a Teams and site, how to create agent profile and associate that with the user profile. Now, tenant portal is one of the first things that you will see when you log in. It is a simple menu structure. As you can see from the dashboard, you have provision, you have the information about the companies and your time zones, and of course, all the other structured or access or configurations tab that you might have. Tenant profile is also provide you something called real-time dashboard. This is the entry screen that you most likely will see when you log in for the first time. This is where you can see a real-time chart, snapshot entry point, interval entry point, and entry point contact daily volume as well. Now each report can be opened in Analyzer as well. Now, the WebEx Contact Center Management Portal gives you the gives you the ability to configure the tenant that your administrator provision for your enterprise. Here you can change things like settings, for example. You can configure what you call general settings, provisioning, site-related settings. Now you can also get a quick online help if you do need instant access. Now, stuff that you can configure here: time zone, tenant name if you want to customize that, and settings that are great cannot be changed by the tenant admin, only can be changed by the partner admin. Now, tenant settings, which for example cannot be changed, as I said. So if they're grayed out, some of the stuff that you cannot modify by yourself. Now, under the settings of the tenant, you can change things like call settings, threshold, voice contact settings like recording, pause duration, etc. These are global settings that are applicable to all the tenant. So let's go take a look at what a tenant configuration will look like. So I'm right now on this tenant configuration. If my time zone is correct, as you can see, I can click on edit and I can change some settings that will go to the settings particular tabs. So here I can say short call threshold. So maybe if a call lasted for 30 seconds or 15 seconds, it can be configured as a short call. And if you sudden disconnect threshold 30 seconds, if it disconnect with